Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. F point P x comma minus 55 divides the line segment joining A 13 comma minus 65 and B minus 52 comma minus 39. Then find the value of x. Now let's try to visualize this. This is the line. So we are given line joining A 13 comma minus 65 and B minus 52 comma minus 39 is divided by a point P x comma minus 55. We need to find value of x. Now we know if the line is divided by the point in the ratio m is to n, the coordinates of point dividing that line are given by P x comma y equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, where a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 are the points joining the given line and m is to n is the ratio. So to find the value of x, we first need to find the value of m is to n. So let's simply put these coordinates in above formula. We get x comma minus 55 is equal to mx2. x2 is minus 52, x1 is 13 plus n 13 divided by m plus n and y2 is minus 39 plus n y1 is minus 65 divided by m plus n. Now by simply equating y coordinate with y coordinate, we can get the value of m and n. M is to n. So let's see. Minus 55 equal to minus 39m minus 65n upon m plus n. We cross multiply and take this m plus n over to left side. We get minus 55m minus 55n equal to minus 39m minus 65n. Since all the values on both sides are negative, we can simply multiply both sides by minus 1 to convert it to positive. So we have 55m plus 55n equal to 39m plus 65n. Now let's take m term over to this side and n term over to this side. Let's see, we get 55m minus 39m equal to 65n minus 55n. So we have, let's see, 55 minus 39 is 16. 16m equal to 65 minus 55 is 10n. So we m is to n, that is m by n equal to 10 by 16. 10 by 16. Therefore m is to n is equal to 2 5s are 2 8s are 5 is to 8. M is to n is 5 is to 8. So now to find the value of x, all we need to do is we need to equate x coordinate with x coordinate. So x equal to minus 52m plus 13n upon m plus n. And now we have values of m and n. So let's put that. So we have m as 5, so minus 52 multiplied by 5 plus 13 multiplied by n. N is 8, so 8 divided by 5 plus 8 is 13. So we can take 13 common out of all the terms in the numerator. Let's try that. 13 fours are 52. So 13 multiplied by minus 20 plus 13 multiplied by 8 divided by 13. So we can cancel out all these 13 numbers. So we are left with minus 20 plus 8, which is equal to minus 12. So we get value of x as minus 12. Let's look at the options. Yes, answer is option B.